The British Columbia government curriculum that has been implemented in this place gives much opportunity for the development of character and values, which is so important to this school, and to link them with the core subjects. To watch the children grow in their relationship with their culture, their religion, their language, to link that with the core subjects that are critical, like math and physics and science, and then become a holistic person, is an amazing opportunity. Mr. Abdul Ghaffar Al-Kuhiji, when he founded this school, he was looking for an opportunity for students to develop in their culture, in their values, but also have high academic excellence. British Columbia government curriculum offers this because there is opportunity to develop culture in kids as well as emphasize the core curriculum. The British Columbia graduation program is a 3-year program which culminates in a Dogwood certificate for students who have successfully completed all 3 grades. This Dogwood certificate also is accompanied by a transcript of all of their marks and subjects. On that transcript, it includes all of the Arabic subjects as well as the great core subjects from the BC curriculum. When a university receives this transcript directly from the BC government, it has the government seal on it, and it tells the university or the institution, you have had a high-level education, because the curriculum ranks 3rd to 9th globally in terms of its performance for grade 10 students. It is very important for the Canadian School Bahrain not only to align itself and to follow the regulatory requirements for British Columbia, but we are in Bahrain, and so it's so important that we meet the requirements for the Bahrain government. That is what makes this place special in terms of the 2 curriculum blending together. How do we prepare our students for a future that none of us really know what it will contain? We do it through the program that we are offering, through the BC curriculum, through the development of values, through technology and emphasis on it, preparing students for entrepreneurship and going into their own business. But the most important part, with all of the academic excellence, is that they have character, that they are proud of their culture, and that they can go and make a difference. Our students are our future.